strawberry shortcake sweet shop. My friends have made some special requests. Tap the Orders button to check them out. Super Squares! This is a simple and fun recipe I love to make for my friends. First, add butter to the saucepan. Keep mixing until it's smooth. Now, add some of those delicious, fluffy marshmallows. Keep mixing until it's smooth. Can't make super squares without cereal. Add some to the mixture. Keep mixing until it's smooth. Make your dessert unique by adding the color of your choice to the mix. Slowly pour the mixture into the pan. Slice into equal square-shaped pieces. You can be more precise with Raspberry Tort's artsy icing pen. Add the icing of your choice on each piece. Add as many sprinkles as you'd like. Now we can add toppings and fruit. You can move them, change their size, and turn them however you'd like. Time to decorate! Check out the figurines of all my friends! Don't forget, you can change it using 2 fingers. Congratulations! We're done! That looks very... Wow! We did it! That's just what lemon meringue asked for! To eat your dessert, just tap on it. Yummy!